Let's take a look at these HD 560Ss. Now, these headphones are very comfortable. That's something that I've noticed about Sennheiser headphones. I've used quite a few of them, and the way they make their ear cushions shaped the way they are, the way that everything is just twisty and light, and the top headband also being very soft, makes these just so easy to put on. You almost can forget they're on your head once you start using them and wearing them. They got very simple, extendable little bands right here. I love the black look with the little tiny Sennheiser logo here on the side. I also like that it's open back, which means when you put them on, you're actually going to be able to hear sounds that are coming from the outside as well, just a little bit. And what that allows you to do with the sound that's actually coming from these headphones is it makes the soundstage, or kind of the space that you're listening to the sound in, sound bigger than a pair of like earbuds or a closed back set of headphones where the back is fully closed. These headphones sound very good. People tend to use them for gaming, so if you're a gamer and you're looking for headphones, totally recommend these. But even so, Sennheiser is amazing at making studio headphones, so I actually tend to just use headphones like this just for listening to music. They have a detachable cable, which is proprietary, so it's going to have this little kind of locking mechanism in it, which is actually very helpful. It means you're not going to have to worry about it getting pulled out, but removing it is also very simple. The bottom of the cable is also going to have this little piece, which I love these because you can unscrew them. You got two different sizes. Overall, these headphones are very nice. If you're looking for a very nice set of headphones, Sennheiser is definitely the way to go, and I think the HD 560Ss are also an amazing set of headphones. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I think if you want a pair of headphones, get them.